everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Most of us love mayonnaise, don't we? Be it wraps, rolls, salad, burgers, mayonnaise takes all these to another level. Considering the amount of oil that goes in the preparation of mayonnaise, I'm going to share with you a better and healthier version of mayonnaise and some quick tips using mayonnaise. I'm going to use Disano extra virgin olive oil to make this dip. Disano extra virgin olive oil is loaded with antioxidants and is healthier compared to other oils. Let's take a look at the recipe.
Let's first start with the preparation of plain mayonnaise. So for that, in a bowl, take half cup cold milk. If you use full fat milk, it would be better. To this milk, add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. You can also increase the quantity later if you want. Some salt. Next is 1 cup extra virgin olive oil. I'm using Disano extra virgin olive oil. This olive oil is very easily available near supermarkets and on Amazon. Now you need to add the oil in a little quantity at a time. Use a hand blender or your regular mixer grinder. After churning for a minute, add 3 tablespoons synthetic white vinegar. Now you need to keep adding the oil and churning the milk at the same time, and you would notice that the mayo has started to thicken. Mayo made from 100% extra virgin olive oil has a rich aroma and taste of olives, and that is the reason if you want you can adjust the seasoning of this mayo according to your taste. Now you can see the consistency, it's good, but refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes and the mayo will thicken. Look at it, it has changed and it has thickened more. So I'm now going to divide this mayo into 4 equal parts. To make the first variation, add 2 to 3 teaspoons tomato ketchup, half teaspoon mixed Italian herbs, you can also use plain oregano, and a little bit of salt if required. You can adjust tomato ketchup if you want. Our first quick dip is ready. The next one. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons red chilli sauce, a little bit of salt, give it a good mix, and then a pinch of red chilli powder. Our second variation is also ready. For the third variation, add 3 teaspoons barbecue sauce, I'm using the ready-made one, a little bit of salt, give it a good mix, and our third quick dip is also ready. For the fourth one, take 1/4 cup fresh coriander, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, some salt, and grind it to a paste. If you need, you can add a little water. Add this paste to the prepared mayo. Give it a good mix, and there you go. All our 4 quick dips and the main mayo using healthy olive oil is ready. Enjoy!